Hello everyone. Today we will start the new chapter. The name of the chapter is Acid, Bases and Salts. This chapter belongs from chemistry. Now, what are acids and bases? We see a lot of things in our house. In these, acid is often used to clean things. Many other things in our house are acidic, like lemon and vinegar. Whereas many things like toothpaste and soap, they are basic in nature. Now, how we difference between them? There is a testing for acidic and basic substances. One of way of finding out whether a substance is acidic or basic is to use something known as an acid-base integrator. In simple way, we can say it is integrator. Acid-base integrators. An acid-base integrator is a substance that gives different colors in acidic and basic medium. Litmus and turmeric and China rose and red cabbage juice. They show the different colors in acidic and basic medium. They are commonly used as indicators. First of all, we will discuss litmus. It is obtained from certain lichens. Lichens are small plants and the litmus is used as a dilute solution. A drop of it is added to a solution whose acid-base behavior is to be found out. It turns red color in acidic solution and blue color in basic solution. If we take litmus paper is used, litmus paper is a finger-sized strip of paper. It soaked in litmus solution and dried. Litmus paper often more convenient to work with, also turns red in acidic and blue in basic solution. Children, you will see in the picture when we drop the red part when we drop the litmus paper in acid solution, it turns into red color. Whereas if we drop litmus paper in blue color in a base, then it change into blue color. A neutral substance is neither acidic nor basic. It does not change the color of a red or blue litmus paper of solution. Next is phenolphthalein. A dilute solution of phenolphthalein in alcohol is another used as indicator. It turns red or pink in basic solution and is colorless in acidic and neutral medium. Now, next is turmeric juice. The yellow turmeric juice turns reddish to deep brown in a basic medium and remains yellow in an acidic or neutral medium. Turmeric paper is prepared in the same way as litmus paper. You will see the effect of turmeric juice in acid and base. Now, there is an activity. In this, we dip a white piece of cloth in an aqueous solution of turmeric. It becomes yellow. Take it out from the solution and wash it with soap. Instead of becoming white again, the cloth becomes red or brown. Wash it with water. It becomes yellow again because soap is basic and it turns turmeric red or brown. But when the soap solution is washed away, the turmeric regains its yellow color. The next is red cabbage juice. Red cabbage juice, purple in color, it turns green in a basic medium and red in a acidic solution as you show in the picture. Now, how we identifying acidic and basic household substances? When we use an indicator, we can easily identify some household substances that they are acidic, basic or neutral. Such test must be done in a moist condition. So, for testing solid, you would need to dissolve them in water first. The acidic or basic nature of certain substances is there. There are some acidic and basic substances. The acidic are bathroom acid, vitamin C tablets, lemon juice, orange juice, tomato juice, vinegar, yogurt, fizzy drinks. And basic substances, milk of magnesia, which is also called antacid, toothpaste, soap solution or detergent solution, solution of washing soda, slaked lime and whitewash. Children, the next topic is acid and their behavior. Some things we eat contain acids like lemon or orange juices contain citric acid, tomato contain oxalic acid and vinegar contain acetic acid. Same as yogurts contain lactic acid and fizzy drinks contain carbonic acid. These acids are mild in action. The examples are acid, hydrochloric acid. The formula of hydrochloric acid is HCl. Sulfuric acid, the formula of sulfuric acid is H2SO4. And the nitric acid, the formula of nitric acid is HNO3. Among others are such stronger in action. These acids are known as mineral acids. They are of biological as well as industrial importance. Make sure you do not touch any of them by mistake because they cause acid burns. So they are very harmful. Okay children, now we will discuss questions regarding this video. The first is question number 1. Classify the following substances into acidic and basic substances. The answer in this, tomato juices is acidic in nature, soap solution is basic in nature, toothpaste is basic, lemon juice is acidic and vinegar is also acidic in nature. Children, you will do this question in the form of table. One side you will write all the substances which acidic and basic substances which are given, and the other side you will write whether it is acidic or basic. Now question number 2. Name 3 mineral acids and give their formula. First we take from question 3 mineral acids are, then come to page number 8. Sorry children, the answer of this question is on page number 10. Here hydrochloric acid, the formula of hydrochloric acid is HCl. Second, sulfuric acid, the formula of sulfuric acid is H2SO4. And nitric acid, the formula of nitric acid is HNO3. Now the next question. The next question is question number 3. Define acids. The answer of this question is in points to remember, page number 16. Here, cut acidic substances and write acids are the substances. Acids are substances. Sorry children. Acids are the substances that taste sour. They turn blue litmus red. They evolved carbon dioxide from carbonates and hydrogen carbonates and neutralize bases. Example, HCl and citric acid. Now question number 6. Define neutral substances. Neutral substances are, then come to page number 8. The answer of this question is on page number 8. Here, a neutral substance is neither acidic nor basic. It does not change the color of a red or blue litmus paper of solution. Example, sodium chloride, and the formula of sodium chloride is NaCl. Okay children, you will do all the questions in your notebook very neatly. Goodbye everyone.